Oh, underplanted. Of course. Oh, $24.98. So here we have the Venus flytraps, looking lovely. Oh, look at back here. Good humidity in those ones. I wonder why. $5.47. I'm telling you, yo, the price is going up on everything, like, since the last time I've been to Walmart. But I'm in Savannah, so maybe it's just, like, the prices here. Oh, is this all the plants they have? I know you fucking lying. I know you lying. Oh, there's plants out there. Here we have our trending tropicals. The radio's playing. It's pretty loud. Shingle plant, $17.96. So the prices on the plants are good. They have Raven ZZs. I think that's the watermelon peperomia and that shingle plant. I don't know the actual name of the shingle plant. Let's see. Shingle vine, Rapidora Raphidophora assorted species. Gotta sound it out, y'all. It's really nice though that they still have it open when it's dark outside, because most Walmarts actually shut this side down. They have tons of plants here. I'm just gonna walk down here real quick. I'm gonna walk down here and let that family look at the plants. But welcome to another plant shopping video. Today we're in Savannah, Georgia. I actually went to the beach today in Savannah. I didn't even know that they had beaches here. I didn't think like this is the coast. Let's go to the beach before. But today I did. It was great. I had some fresh seafood. It was a good day. Today was a good day. Oh gosh, look at this clearance, y'all. Now you know you're wrong for that. You know you're wrong for that. The $2, it should be free. It shouldn't even be out here. I don't know who's gonna grow anything from these plants. This maybe. This I think you could save. I don't know. But there might be new growth in there. Ooh. We have some golden pothos. I gotta be careful, like bugs and shit out here. We have golden pothos, super strong and healthy. You can tell this was like made for outside. Made for outside. These are $13.98. Plant shopping at night. It's so peaceful out here. Like, it's so peaceful. Oh, these are like my favorite plants that I don't have. A Japanese Aurelia. I love these. I love the leaves. They give me warm, fuzzy feelings, I tell you. Let's look at the succulents. Oh my gosh. Look at these Hoyas. I feel like these Hoyas really didn't stand a chance. I feel like they've just been here since, I want to say Halloween. I always think every holiday's Halloween. Since Valentine's Day, I think they've been here. And you can see, like, I don't even water them anymore. Completely dried out, sun bleached, and I don't know. I imagine that they're on clearance though. Let's see. This one looks pretty good. Oh, no. It looked good from the front. And then when she turned around, it was like, whoa. Whoa, sister. And here's tons of succulents. Mini succulents for $2. An overview. Oh my gosh, bugs on my face. More succulents. Look like they didn't really stand a chance here. I'd say with Walmart, or like with any big box stores, when you're buying plants, you really want to get them when they get there, like shipment day. Get them and get them out of there so you can keep them healthy like they came in, or rehabilitate them. Oh, this one looks pretty. Oh, there's a spider right there. I almost went straight into it too. This one's cute though. Oh, yeah, he's connected to this one. I haven't seen it in a pink pot before. I like this. I kind of want another one, but I'm gonna leave that for somebody else. Leave it for another plant mama. Majesty palms. They're everywhere. Here they're $19. No, these are cat palms. Excuse me. I didn't mean to mislabel you. Cat palms. Which type of fern is this? Kimberly Queen. I think that's what it said. It's the Walmart that's right across from the Tanger outlets in Savannah. Hopefully I can get the address for y'all. I've been really slacking with getting addresses lately. Great selection here. The night owls. I'm not doing prices, y'all. I don't feel like touching everything. But you can see they have a beautiful selection. It just appears. Ooh, that one's really, really wet. It just appears that they burn out. It's getting like super direct sun from this area. Some Dracaenas. Are these night owls? Sansevieria night owl, they are. Look at this one. They know they're wrong for that. Oh my gosh, they're so... Whatever, Destiny. Sago palms. I still haven't got one of those. Is it still the wish list plant? Lots of golden pothos. Oh, they have some like spring cactus hiding down here. Yep. Some spring cactus or cacti hiding down there. Blue star fern, I think it's called. Lots of ferns. These are like the little $4.97 things. The ones that are like $5. More succulents. They look like they're growing this way towards the sun. Oh, okay. So this is the new like best mom ever Mother's Day collection. I was going to say Mom Day. So basically they're selling the same plant. They just changed out the planter, which I appreciate because I didn't really like them. I didn't like that white with the pink, red, or purple color. I do like the solid color. We have some bonsais with the succulent like attached to it. There's definitely some Hoyas up there. See the Bibliata right here. Probably like $17. I'm not touching because there's so many spider webs. Yeah. That shit looks pretty nice. It's literally like a jungle in here. The little babies fell down. The coffee plant. And golden pothos. So they have tons of coffee plants and golden pothos. Anybody have coffee plants in their collection? Does it? Come on. Coffee plant. My full name is Coffea arabica. I'm from Ethiopia. Oh, so this really puts forth beans. From what I understand, coffee originated in Ethiopia. From what I understand. I don't know, y'all. What do you think? Should I get another? They don't look too healthy. I wonder how long they've been here. More succulents. Cacti that are not so cuddly. It's just a succulent cacti. Some type of superba. Golden pothos. And really, that is the overview. You can hear it's like right off the highway. Oh, look at these big leaves right here. Pretty. They have this section of the expert gardener plant tie ribbon, moisture meter, poly-coated metal twist ties, plant labels, garden twine, and then like stakes, bamboo stakes, hardwood stakes, single stem support, PE coated stakes. So I guess you could trail your things up on that. I've never seen this before, like a little station for it. So that was my Walmart plant shopping with me video for the day. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what was your favorite plant that you saw. It wasn't really much. Yeah. But I always appreciate Walmart for having really great plants. My ponytails or my buns are like off kilter. That one gray hair. Why she gotta do me like that?
Yo.